Hi, my name is Amy, and today I want to teach you how to turn a simple applique design into a stuffed toy, also known as stuffies and plushies. I have my applique design already pulled up on my screen. I'm going to run through my parts with you here real quick so that you can see what's all required to do your design. I have the outline stitch, I have a fabric tack down, I have my facial features, and I have the last outline in a satin stitch from the applique design. I do not want it to be in a zigzag or satin stitch. I need that to be a running stitch. So I will right click, select my object, go up to zigzag, and click on running stitch. Because embroidery thread is weaker than sewing thread, I need to beef up the sewing capabilities of this to make it a secure stitch out when I place that second piece of fabric on top to be sewn together. I will change my run time to a 3. The next step is to create an opening for me to be able to turn my project right side out and allow me to stuff it and sew it the side back up. I will click on the last outline in my sewing order and click on select objects. Next, I will take my select tool, click on point select, and you can see all the points in your design. Find 2 points that are on a straight line. Usually the best place is on a side or at the bottom, but because I did a ghost, it's too wavy down here. So I'm going to do it on the left side. I have an opening here. You can also move your points a little bit to create a bigger opening if necessary. Click on the point and click on split at point up in the shapes. You'll need to go to the point directly above or below that point that you just did. Click on the point, go up to shapes, click split at point, and you can see the line that you created to separate it off from the main design. If you go to your sewing order, at the very bottom where that last outline is, you can click on the plus sign, and you will see that little bit of stitching there that you can click on, select the object, and delete it. And now you have an opening that will allow you to turn your project and to stuff it. Now, what happens if you need to make more than one toy and you have a bigger hoop? You have that capability. That is awesome. Go up here to your hoop to change your hoop size. I will go to my next biggest hoop. I will go home. I will go to my select tool, select all. I want to rotate to the right or to the left, it doesn't matter, I just need it to go sideways. Then you're going to click on your design, your shift key is pressed down, and move your design all the way up as close to the top as you can. Then when you go to your home, click on copy and paste. Click on your design again, press your shift key down and drag that one away from the top one. And there are your 2 toys in one hooping. But let's go a little bit further and make it stitch out more efficiently so that you don't have to keep changing your threads as often. The first thing you're going to want to do is, if you go to the top, you'll see the first thing that is stitched out is your outline. Mine's in black. So we're going to scroll down till we get to the next black outline, click on it, and drag it to the top. The next thing was our fabric tack down, so we'll scroll down till we get to our next fabric tack down and drag it to the top. And we'll do that with each similar item. Here's the face. We will drag that up to the face. Here's the tongue. We'll click on it and drag that up to the top, and then the bottom last outline is already grouped together. Now let's review it in our sewing simulator to see how well it stitches out. As you can see, all the items stitch out together. If you have a multi-needle machine like I do, you will need to program that stop in before your last tack down sews out to allow you time to get that topper fabric on so you can stitch the two pieces together. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be notified when I have another video posted. If you find that this tutorial was useful and would help others, please share it. I also have my contact information in the description below. Please like my Facebook page and please post any pictures of the designs that you have made and projects that you have made using my tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.